Today we'll talk about the game that we recommend in autism kids. In autism kids, there is a problem with probably steadiness of the body, steadiness of the mind, eye-to-eye connection, turn-taking, social recognition, social conversation, and social etiquettes and understanding the concepts of the rules. For that matter, the games which will involve all of them, that sitting, looking, listening, following, turn-taking, understanding the rules is required for them. Autism child, when the child is entertained face-to-face and eye-to-eye, that child will learn better. Face-to-face and eye-to-eye connection will connect the child with human to human. So preferably human-based games will be most important for these kids. These children require a good sitting posture for giving a sustained attention. So sitting eye-to-eye, face-to-face based games will have more impact on these kids. In such situations, the best game which stands out in the course of time is carom. So if you have a daily habit of 20 minutes of carom post-dinner with every autism family, with the child and the parent, our goal is to make the child sit with us, play with us, take the turns, focus and interact with us. Yes, the carom is the best game. Carom helps in sitting, carom helps in face-to-face eye-to-eye connection, carom helps in social distancing, carom helps in visual precision, carom helps in visual tracking, carom helps in focusing, carom helps in strategic planning, carom helps in understanding the rules of the game, carom helps in turn taking, and carom helps in understanding the concept of win and lose. Compared to the games which are cricket or running around games or chore police games, the child is not continuously on the toes in such games, and that's why child will be having less focus. Child will be continuously running or moving or playing with some object. That means child is continuously be having any non-human to human or non-eye-to-eye connection, and which is not going to improve the communication. Similarly, the games which make the child keep on the toes and maybe run around, they are not letting the child look, listen, focus and understand the turn-taking business easily, which is best done with carom. So for all autism kids, the best games will be face-to-face sitting, board games, most probably carom, but it can also be Ludo, Uno cards, dice, snake and ladder and many such games. A child should learn to play with the family members before he learns to play with the outsiders from the family, because the child has already gelled with the family members. He is likely to gel easily and learn easily and understand easily and follow the concepts easily with the family members when they are playing face-to-face sitting games. A child running after other child is not a game. A child running after car is not a game. A true game is one where two players are involved, which are human beings, and sitting face-to-face and trying to understand the concept in the logical way with the laws and